Hello, my dear students of class 8. Today we will start a new chapter and very interesting text. Name of the text is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Means one character named Bipin Chaudhary who used to forget many things, lapse, forgetfulness of his memory. Written by Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray was a popular Bengali filmmaker and writer. He received many awards for his contribution to films. Right? He even got honorary Oscar award. Okay. So before you read, do you have a good memory? Means, can you remember things? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? Has your memory played any tricks on you? Forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot. Means if you forget, it can put you in a very tight spot. But means in a problematic situation. But forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. So if you forget a part of your life, for example 6 months, 3 months, or 1 year of your life, or for 15 days at least, that may throw you in a very problem. Okay, that may make you mad. In this story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy and mad because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. He cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. Ranchi is now the present capital of what? Jharkhand state. But that time it was included in Bihar, right? He has never been to Ranchi. He insists. He said he has never gone to Ranchi. He said forcefully. Though there are many witnesses to the contrary, means there are many proofs on the opposite. He was saying that he didn't visit Ranchi, but there were many proofs against his demand. What is the suspense all about? What is the mystery all about? Suspense, mystery all about. Every Monday, on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kalicharan's in New Market to buy books. Kalicharan's means Kalicharan's book shop. Where? In New Market. New Market is in Kolkata right now. Okay, at that time, Calcutta. Okay, so every Monday, on his way back from work, so when he returned from his work, he would visit where? At Kalicharan's bookshop. Where? In New Market. Why? To buy books. Crime stories. Stories about crime. Ghost stories about ghosts and thrillers. Suspense. Mystery. So he used to buy books on these topics. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. Means he had to buy at least 5 books so that he could spend his whole week by reading the books. He lived alone without his family and was not a good mixture. Means he didn't mix with other persons and had few friends, very less friends, and didn't like spending time in idle chat. Idle chat means unnecessary gossip. Okay, he didn't like to spend time unnecessarily. Okay, today at Kalicharan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. He thought that someone was observing him and following him very closely. He turned round, घूम गया, and found himself looking at a round-faced man whose face is round-shaped, meek looking, very timid, quiet, humble looking, not humble, humble looking man, modest, gentle looking man, who now broke into a smile, who started to smile. I don't suppose you recognize me. I don't suppose you recognize me. Okay. Have we met before? Asked no. Means that man asked. I don't suppose. I don't think that you recognize me. Then Nebiru asked, have we met before? The man looked greatly surprised, greatly amazed, surprised. We met every day for a whole week. We met every day. Har din, for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudru Falls, Hudru waterfall, in 1958 in Ranchi. My name is Parimal Ghosh. Okay. So in Ranchi, and his name is Parimal Ghosh. Ranchi. So Hudru waterfall. Ranchi. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he but this man who was making a mistake. He thought, no, that man was making a kind of mistake. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi, never gone to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times, means he used to think and just on the verge of going to Ranchi many a times, but never made it, never went there. He smiled and said, do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? The man raised his eyebrows, means was kind of surprised, kind of expression, so eyebrows. Bit his tongue and said, do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Do I know you? Then he said, who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, still you are making a mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi. And one often does. I have never gone to Ranchi. The man now loved aloud. To love aloud, loudly. Okay. That's all. We'll continue from here in the next class. Thank you.